Ready to ditch the paper clutter? We're diving deep into a head-to-head showdown, Kilonotes vs Notein, to crown the ultimate note-taking champion. First, let's break down the basics. Kilonotes comes packed with customizable templates, offering a wide array of pen options, while Notein boasts a similarly user-friendly interface with slightly different aesthetic direction. Handwriting is key, so let's put these apps to the test. Watch how smoothly Kilonotes glides across the screen, capturing even the most delicate pen pressures. Notein also performs admirably, offering a comparable experience for digital handwriting. Organization is where things get interesting. Kilonotes provides robust folder creation, tagging, and notebook customization. Notein offers a streamlined approach, focusing on simplicity and ease of navigation with notebook and sub-notebook features. What about the unique perks? Kilonotes brings powerful and unique planner templates and a lot of stationery, while Notein helps you sketch perfect geometric shapes and record audio notes and provides a variety of paper textures. So, who wins? Kilonotes is a powerhouse of customization and features, suited for those who love to tinker and personalize. But if you prefer a clean, intuitive experience with a focus on simplicity, Notein might be your winner. Ultimately, the best app depends on your personal style. Let us know in the comments which app reigns supreme in your note-taking world. Don't forget to subscribe for more app showdowns.